Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's exclusive video, I am going to share with you 7 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that all are related to one specific niche, actually 2 different niches which are related. So you'll be able to use these 7 keywords to use them in your title, in your subtitle, as part of the 7 keyword slots. This is a plan to create a consistent number of books that will sell and bring you passive income on Amazon KDP. And this is from my own personal experience, and I'm going to share with you these carefully researched Amazon KDP keywords in today's video. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy these kind of videos where I reveal profitable Amazon KDP keywords on a daily basis, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now let's get started with the first keyword, and our niche for today is how to draw dinosaurs. And let's get started with the first keyword, which is how to draw dinosaurs for kids 9 to 12, and this has a keyword niche score of 53 and a search results of 1,143, which is within that 1,000 range, and that's good to see. Also, the average bestseller rank is 200,000 to 963, which is under 300,000, so that is also a good massive sign as well. The average reviews are a massive 4,725, indicating that the majority of customers that purchase these books under this keyword are willing to engage with the creator, with the seller, willing to reply with their feedback and jot down the star rating also. And the average price is $8.56. So for this reason, because of the total results being within that 1,000 range, average bestseller in the 300,000 range, and a good keyword niche score by self-publishing titans, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Pro because it does not match the wonderful data that we have right here. And this is exactly why I always try to talk about using a multiple number of Amazon KDP Chrome extensions to compare against that data and to have a good foundation, and also use your common sense as always, and always check for trademarks as well before using keywords in your title, in your subtitle, in your interior as well. So this is a wonderful keyword. Preferably you would use an 8.5 times 11 inches for anything to do with how to draw niches, whether that is creating a book for adults or creating a book for children. So you're basically guiding children from 9 to 12 years old on how to draw dinosaurs. And there's a couple of different ways to do it, mainly 2 different ways to create how to draw books. There is interiors available in Creative Fabrica, and you can also go ahead and use any templates available in Creative Fabrica on how to draw. So let's go to how to draw, and I'm just going to give you some examples. So one way to do it is you could use a template such as this one. So this is also free, available for you to download, and you could use it for commercial purposes only. Also, you could find a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is an all-access free trial offering you 30 days and a maximum of 10 downloads during that free trial period. You can cancel whenever you want. So one way to do how to draw books is to just simply write how to draw and see if there's any templates available for you under your keyword. So in this case, how to draw dinosaurs, and then you would, if there is a large number of search results, you can filter according to KDP interiors, and then also maybe to coloring books as well. But in this case, we're going to go with KDP interiors, and we have a massive amount of different how to draw things. And also there is activity book as well that you can also use some specific sheets that contain how to draw. For example, sheets such as this one are within the activity book. You can use them, you can change them around a little bit, adding some elements, change on the font as well. There is also a specific how to draw such as these ones. So there's one way to make how to draw books. For example, you could use an interior such as this one, which is showing you a step-by-step on how to draw dinosaurs. And that way you could see the changes being made. This is 100 pages. There's also a part 2 available, and this is free for you to download, linked in the description box below. So that way you would have a step-by-step way. Another way is to use that grid that I showed you, which is basically this one the grid that I showed you, you would be able to use this and create multiple pages of the same exact grid, and the first page would be this one, for example. You would remove that graphic or that way, or you could use the exact same page, just remove your turn and then insert the image, the PNG black and white image of the dinosaur that you can get it just basically searching dinosaur coloring sheets. And then that way you would be able to find all sorts of dinosaur images that are preferably one single image. So don't use any of these that have all these different things. Don't use anything with too much detail, such as this one. Try to aim for something simple as well, and then you could paste it on that sheet and then repeat it afterwards. I'm going to do a whole tutorial explaining this step-by-step approach to you, but for now let's head over to the second keyword for the day. So the first one was how to draw dinosaurs for kids 9 to 12, and the second is my first learn how to draw dinosaurs for kids 2 to 4. My first learn book, How to Draw Dinosaurs for Kids 2 to 4, has a total result of 56, which is under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is averaging currently at 558,130, is a little bit on the high side, but that's still good. You can use this wonderful keyword for your 7 keyword slots. That way you won't use it in your title, you will not use it in your subtitle, but you will rely on it and utilize it for the 7 keyword slots. Also, the average reviews are 436, average price is $6.31, and we have a really good niche score by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a number 8, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now, number 9 is the highest when it comes to what Amazon Scout Pro has to offer us in terms of keyword strength. So for this case, for the beautiful info that we have right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score given by Titans and stick with number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro. Total results under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is quite acceptable at this stage to be used for the 7 keyword slots. And what you're creating right now is a book specifically to do with toddlers, preschoolers as well, between the ages of 2 to 4, teaching them how to draw dinosaurs. And maybe the grid format would be the most acceptable way to go about this. And you need to be an 8.5 times 11 inches large print size as well, and also try to focus on super minimalistic images that you can be able to download, ones that don't take a lot of time, ones that are super easy to use as well. That way it would be an amazing niche to dive into. So let's head over to the third keyword for the day, and it is how to draw dinosaurs for adults. Now, how to draw dinosaurs for adults has a really good capability. The only concern I have for this keyword here is with the bestseller rank being a little bit high, which indicates that you can utilize it if you sub-niche. Then you can create a book or 2 under this keyword, or if you can utilize it in the 7 keyword slots to get your book ranking under this keyword. That way you don't really have to worry about using a keyword in your title or subtitle that has quite a high bestseller rank. But I wouldn't sleep on this keyword right here. I'd utilize it as much as I can. So how to draw dinosaurs for adults. Let's break through the results. We have a strong keyword niche score of 56 by self-publishing Titans. Also a keyword niche score of 9, which is the highest on the keyword niche score scale by Amazon Scout Pro, and that's also a good indicator. And these 2 scores beautifully complement and confirm each other as well. So the total results are 520, so they are below 1,000. Average bestseller rank is sitting at an average of 761,932, which indicates that it would be a best choice to use this and utilize it as part of your 7 keyword slots. We've got the average reviews of 458 and the average price of $10.64. And also you could have a look at that. There are books that are not specifically related to how to draw dinosaurs for adults, but they're still showing up in this search results. Why? Because they are either a niche about how to draw, or they're either how to draw dinosaurs for children, and that way they've used this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots, and this is why it's ranking. That's why you should be able to carefully choose your keywords that you input for the 7 keyword slots to get the maximum engagement, the maximum exposure that you can without using paid ads. Now let's head over to the fourth keyword for the day, and our fourth keyword for the day that again has to do with how to draw dinosaurs, and this one's a niche for children. So the same exact rules apply for the previous keyword that I've discussed with a slightly higher bestseller rank that was quite similar to this one. So how to draw dinosaurs for kids 3 to 5, we've got a niche score of 50 by Titans. We also have quite a strong niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro. So as I said, number 9 is the highest. I'm quite happy with number 8. Total results are sitting at 1082, which is within that 1000 mark. Average bestseller rank is similar to the previous keyword, which is in the 700s. So what do you do in this case? Use it for the 7 keyword slots. Any book right now as of making this video that is related to the how to draw niche, whether that is for animals, for beasts, for monsters, for cute things, you can go ahead and update your 7 keyword slots for that book in your portfolio right now with this keyword. Also, you can use it for any of the books that you're going to create for the how to draw dinosaurs niche that we're discussing in today's video. So massive average number of reviews of 4,341, and the average price is $6.98. So that was for the fourth. Let's have a look at the fifth keyword for the day, and the fifth keyword has quite good opportunity in there. So it is how to draw dinosaurs for kids ages 4 to 8. So you're basically making a simple how to draw dinosaurs for kids ages 4 to 8, but maybe incorporate that educational aspect in there. It's not just a how to draw book. You're going to maybe insert different types of dinosaurs, their names as well, maybe allowing the child to trace through the different names of the dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus Rex, other names as well. I'm not quite familiar with all the dinosaur names. It has been quite a long time since we were taught that back at primary school, but you get the point. There are different types of dinosaurs and each one have their own names as well. So this is a great opportunity to take advantage of that and to teach these little wonderful children the different names, and that would be either like in tracing, where it would be the printed name on top of the exact image of the dinosaur, and then there would be the same exact name underneath, which is in trace 1. Now you can go ahead and get the trace fonts available in Creative Fabric. I always use them, and if you're using Canva, there's also other types of fonts that you're using. So I really love this type of font, Trace Me Please, and it's a handwriting practice font, and it works perfectly for the children that we are talking about that are within the age group, which is between the ages of 4 to 8 years old. So check out that font that I talked about. And we have the sixth keyword for the day is how to draw dinosaurs for kids 5 to 7. Now, how to draw dinosaurs for kids 5 to 7 has quite good potential, but my apologies, I just noticed that I didn't really dive into the analytics for the previous one. So how to draw dinosaurs for kids ages 4 to 8 has keyword niche score of 50 by Titans and a keyword niche score of number 7 by Scout Pro. Also, the total results are under 1,000, which is ideal. The average bestseller rank is under 300,000, and it is currently sitting at 294,862, which is good to see. There's profitability right over here as well. Average reviews are 3,444. Average price is $8.59. So I love the keyword niche score on both ends right here. The total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 300,000 as well. The sixth keyword is how to draw dinosaurs for kids 5 to 7. Now, this is also a good keyword. We've got a keyword niche score of 50, which is quite acceptable in this case. There is a total results of around that 1,000 results, which are sitting currently at 1,264. The average bestseller rank is currently within that 300,000, which is also good to see. It is currently averaging 322 1,264, and the average reviews are 3,028, and average price is $8.05. So specifically for children ages 5 to 7, you could also utilize this wonderful keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots for anything related to dinosaur, how to draw, anything related to the how to draw niche for children. The final keyword for today's video is how to draw dinosaurs for kids 8 to 12. So this one's more, we're getting into more detail here as we're targeting children that are in the toddler and preschool age. It's very simplistic. Now we're more towards adding some detail in there, adding some extra elements, also maybe including the different names of the dinosaurs, as well as a fun fact next to each one would be an additional value for that book as well. So we have a keyword niche score of 50 by Titans and a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro. Coming into the total results, they're sitting at 209, which is also good to see. Averaging bestseller rank is within that 300,000, and it's sitting at an average of 313,402. Average reviews at 2,172. Average price is $8.48, which is also great to see. So there you go, folks. We talked about the 7 keyword profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with how to draw dinosaurs, whether that is for children, whether that is for adults. I really hope you take advantage of this wonderful keyword right here. I wish you all success. And as a quick summary, the first keyword was how to draw dinosaurs for kids 9 to 12 with a keyword niche score of 53. The second is my first learn book, how to draw dinosaurs for kids 2 to 4, and maybe creating an ABC version from A to Z, maybe finding different types of dinosaurs that start with different letters would be a great opportunity if it is possible for you as well. It'll help children learn the alphabet and provide the extra value. The third keyword was how to draw dinosaurs for adults with a keyword niche score of 56. The fourth keyword was how to draw dinosaurs for kids 3 to 5. The fifth is how to draw dinosaurs for kids ages 4 to 8. And number 6, how to draw dinosaurs for kids 5 to 7 with a keyword niche score of 50. And the lucky last is how to draw dinosaurs for kids 8 to 12. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. And if you enjoyed today's content, like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.